Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to navigate Google Classroom. When you sign into Google Classroom, you will have all of your classes that you have already joined show up here. If you need to join the class, you will click the plus sign and click Join Class and use the code that your teacher has given you to join their class. I am sending all of my invites through your email, so you should be checking your school email and looking for an email from Google asking you to join my classroom. All right, so when you first click on Google Classroom, you are looking at the stream. The stream is where I am going to post important announcements. This is where I will also post the links to the Zooms, or if it's a weird day and there's any kind of internet outage or 2-hour delay or anything like that, anything funky that comes up, I'm going to post about it in the stream. On the left-hand side, it will show you a snapshot of any work that is coming up that is due. There's also the Classwork tab. So you should definitely check the stream every day, just in case I have posted an important announcement. But the majority of your time is going to be spent in the Classwork tab. This is the first time I'm signing in with this, so it's telling me a little demo. So all of the assignments are going to show up here. Now, obviously, there's only one so far, but as we progress through the semester, I'm going to organize everything into weeks and topics. So a lot is going to post on this page. The most recent things are going to be at the top, and the older things are going to be at the bottom. So if you're ever looking for makeup work or something old, you will have to scroll down. The due date for an assignment will show up here as well. All right, you can also click View Your Work, and this shows you all of the assignments that were posted, but you can also sort it by the ones that you haven't done yet, which is the ones that are assigned, the ones that I have returned, and the ones that are still missing. So you can go through and sort them. You should always check the ones that are returned. A lot of times I will put the grade in Google Classroom and I will give you feedback if you didn't do very well. I'm going to tell you which questions were wrong. I'm going to tell you some mistakes that I noticed, and you can turn the assignment in again. So it's important that you look at the ones that have been returned so that if you didn't do very well, you can fix your mistakes and turn it in again. All right, so to complete an assignment, you click on it, View Details. Again, this is the first time I'm signing up, so this is giving me just some instructions. And then you will see the instructions once you have clicked View Details. So please, please, please read the instructions, because sometimes I have a specific order that you're supposed to do things in. Sometimes we're going to do a complete assignment together as a class. So if I tell you we're doing it together, that means you probably aren't going to know how to do it. You might not want to look at it on your own just yet. This plus sign here, you're probably going to use this a lot. There are going to be a lot of assignments where you are required to show your work. And in math, it's just so much easier to do your work on a piece of paper. So you would do your work on paper, take a picture of it, either with your Chromebook or a cell phone. The easiest thing to do is to add it to your Google Drive, because when you click the plus sign, if you've added it to your Google Drive, you can just click that. A link would be something that you found on the internet. A file would be if you saved the picture to your computer, you would search for it by clicking File, or you can create new. If you click any of these, it'll create a blank document for you, and then you could also post your picture in one of these as well. All right, this is where you would leave me a private comment. Please do not use the stream to communicate with me unless you're commenting on a post that I have in the stream. If you have a question about an assignment, or if you didn't know how to do something, leave me a private comment here. And then most importantly, please, please, please click Mark as Done. That will help me with attendance. that will help me with grading as well, and that will make sure that you are not falling behind. All right, so if you have any other questions about Google Classroom, please just don't hesitate to ask.